Everyone says if you sneeze with your eyes open, your eyeballs will pop out. That's the myth. The truth is worse. When you sneeze, pressure explodes through your skull in an instant. Your chest tightens. Your throat locks. It's a shockwave. Your eyelids don't close by choice. It's a reflex to protect your eyes. Because if you force them open, they won't pop out. But blood vessels can burst. Pressure can spike. Damage can happen. Your eyes are soft tissue inside a rigid space. That's not a gentle combination. So next time you feel a sneeze building, are you really going to keep them open? Be honest. Let me know in the comments.